guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make fake sprinkles out of polymer clay. You will need at least 4 different colors of clay, and now let's get started. First, roll out each color of clay into a snake. Make sure they are extremely thin so that when you cut it you have regular sized sprinkles. Now you're going to want to follow your clay's baking instructions to bake it. So now that all your clay is baked, you're going to want to cut each strip with scissors to your desired length. Now that they're all done, you're going to want to put them in a jar to save for later. And now you have your final product, fake sprinkles. I hope this helped you make your fake sprinkles, and overall I think they turned out pretty good. Bye!